To identify your vehicle code, you're going to first need to identify the vehicle's VIN number or vehicle identification number. The VIN is located in many places. Two reliable spots to read it are the lower left corner of the dashboard, green arrow, looking through the windshield from the outside of the vehicle. The VIN is also located on the driver door jamb with the vehicle identification sticker, green arrow. Using the sticker on your driver door jamb, you can also determine the production date of your vehicle, green arrow. Using the sticker on your door jamb, you can also find your BMW model, green arrow, and tire pressure specifications, as well as compatible tire size options, yellow arrow. The importance of the VIN digit positions. The first 3 digits are the country of origin. The 4th and 5th positions are vehicle model. Position 6 is the type of engine. The 10 digit of your vehicle number is your model year, and the last 7 are the serial number. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.